Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Salesloft sequences from CRM activity step by step clearly. Log into your Salesloft account. Navigate to the Sequences tab in the main menu. Select the sequence you want to update. Review the current sequence settings and activities. Open your CRM platform in a separate tab. Access the relevant contacts or deals in your CRM. Identify the activities that require updates in Salesloft. Return to your Salesloft sequence. Select the contact or deal that corresponds with the CRM activity. Edit the sequence step as needed based on the CRM information. Add any notes or comments that clarify the changes made. If applicable, adjust the timing of the next steps in the sequence. Ensure that all changes reflect the new CRM activity. Save the updated sequence. Monitor the sequence for any further updates required. Repeat the process for any additional sequences as necessary. Log out of your Salesloft account once all updates are complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.